¡Prepárense la fiesta!
Look at the gooses. You want to take a picture? Where?
Alrighty guys, today's our last day here at the Rancho Las Palmas Resort. It was a nice day here. It was our first time. Everything was excellent. Food, service, everything was great. The weather was great. We're about to go and check out, have some breakfast, and check out this amazing golf course. Right here you have the rooms. This hotel is located about 2 hours away from Los Angeles, and it's really near Palm Springs. This city is called Rancho Mirage, I believe. It's very beautiful. It's hot, great weather. Great place to come and hang out. So we stayed here for 3 nights, and each night was about $500, but it's worth it. The lazy river is pretty cool. Not that many hotels have a lazy river for the kids. That's a plus. And everything else was pretty good. Like I said, the weather is pretty nice. It's not over 100 yet. Right now it's about 85, and it's about 10:30 in the morning. We already went to the pool early morning. And we're just hanging out here to have breakfast, and we'll check out later on. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, hit the like button. I wish I could stay here another night. Won't hurt, right? It's so amazing place. Very amazing. I'm not sure if they play golf here. I'm pretty sure they do, but I don't see nobody right now. So our room was like on the other side. We didn't have this view. We had like the mountain view. Wow, but it was really nice. You can see the mountains, see the desert out there. Nice.
Well, I saw it first. This I didn't know.
See, this hotel has a lot of nice places like this. I wonder if there's fishes in there. Some cold fish.
I'm not so that's fishing. Whoa! No.
So right here we have the Blue Amber restaurant. The food was really nice. We've been having dinners there every night. It's amazing.
Can you close the door? It is good.
So this is the entrance here, the lobby.
And then after you get it online, do you come up to get your balance or? Okay. What'd you say to me?
Right, so this is the lobby. It's very nice. Oh, they have a shop here. We're just walking from there. We didn't come to this restaurant here. So restrooms here. Super fancy. Alright, till next vacation time. Hopefully we come back soon. This Palmas Boutique. Alright, so we'll see you in the next video, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button. Peace.